Even, consistent heat. Thick, forged base is designed to heat evenly for experimenting with new recipes and getting beautifully browned results on any stovetop. Durable construction. Crafted from durable hard anodized aluminum, this premium quality pan is built for everyday inventive cooking. Premium food release. KitchenAid hard anodized fry pan is finished with triple layer, PFOA-free nonstick to stand up to daily wear and tear. Fully nonstick interior. Handle rivets are finished with enhanced nonstick for all-around easy food release. Easy to clean. Pan and glass lid are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Finish in the oven. Cookware is oven safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 350 degrees Fahrenheit with lid. Take control with even heat and achieve consistent results when cooking with the KitchenAid hard anodized induction nonstick frying pan. Crafted from heavy gauge, hard anodized aluminum, this fry pan is durable enough for everyday use to experiment with new, exciting recipes and cooking techniques in the kitchen. Thick, forged base is designed to heat evenly, eliminating hot spots for beautifully browned results on any stovetop. Triple layer, PFOA-free nonstick on the cookware interior and handle rivets provides effortless food release for a completely nonstick cooking surface. Meet recipes head-on with an induction-compatible pan that is oven-safe to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 350 degrees Fahrenheit with lid. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. Top reviews from the United States. Weighs like aluminum, cooks like steel on induction range. I ordered several pans in this line to replace my old non-stick, which wasn't anymore. I've been using them regularly and am delighted with them for the following reasons. 1. Lightweight. I did not expect them to be featherweights, but they are much lighter than they look. 2. Fast heating. They come up to temp very fast, much faster than my old non-stick pans and even my carbon steel pans. 3. Very even heat distribution across the cooking surface. 4. Responsive. They gain and lose heat quickly, which provides great control over your cooking temp. 5. They can sear, without using very high heat. I can get a nice dark crust on a rare steak quite easily. Did I mention I am using an induction range? I don't expect any non-stick to last more than a few years, so we'll see how these do, but the price was right, Prime Day, so I'd say they were a good investment.